Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurul Hazwani binti Yusri and my matrix number is AP200194. My view on the subject of land surveying for this construction was that I was a bit surprised at first, as I had never seen this land surveying activity carried out in my entire life. This subject is quite interesting to study as it is fraught with the use of technologies such as theodolite, which is used to measure the height of the ground from vertical and horizontal angles. This tool is rarely found by ordinary people who are not from the construction family. This subject also taught me to be more careful in taking data as every mistake made can lead to errors in the project. For example, in a cut and fill activity, we need to record the data correctly so that the end result is safe to run the project. Moreover, the subject of land survey for this construction also taught me as a student that before the land survey activity is carried out, listen and understand the instruction from the lecturer so that everything done is in accordance with the prescribed specifications.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Al-Marushdi bin Hamzah and my matrix number is CP2082. I will share my views on this subject for the world of construction. In my opinion, I think this subject really needs to be emphasized because from what I've learned, it is important to measure and compare the ground level in order to plan properly and prevent bad things from happening. Measurement related to the construction of real estate will be determined by the construction survey. It has control over horizontal position as well as height and size, building grades, line reconnaissance, infrastructure, and fencing, all assisted by land surveyor. Then, land surveyor are important to the building industry for a variety of reasons. But one of the most important is that they provide accurate data that engineers may use to inform their recommendation, because they can identify high-risk area and support the resolution of legal dispute. Land surveyor are particularly important for construction staking. And that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hamizi bin Hassan, AP200110 from Group 1. This video is about my view on land survey for construction. So for me, land survey is an important task in construction. Like imagine if you want to build something large and permanent structure like a house or a house. In effect, you do know the characteristic of the land, like the ground level and the amount of acreage you have. This make the service of a land surveyor much needed to ensure that the structure built are in the right location and the best position without taking away the right of others. Next, the land surveyor is the first step in resolving dispute about boundary. So this is my view on land surveying. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazizati binti Muhammad Aslitam. Year 2 BBC student, nama matric AP200508. This video is about what I was able to learn throughout my taking on this land surveying subject. Throughout my studies, I have gained a lot of knowledge on how to see soil conditions before carrying out construction. In addition, I was also able to identify and know the various types of tools used that involve the process of land surveying. There are some of the tools like theodolite. These tools are used to measure both horizontal and vertical angles. These tools are used to measure both horizontal and vertical angles with poles and tripods. Poles, tripods, and other mounting accessories are essential for surveyors to ensure solid, stable readings. This mount can be used for all kinds of surveying equipment, including prisms, lasers, and levels. In this activity that I have carried out, I found that group work very good and gives me a lot of experience if in the future I work with a group of other employees. So much for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Fadilah. My matric card number is CP2033. What we have learned in this subject is we have learned that how to use the actual equipment to do the land survey on actual work. We have learned how to do how to set the boundaries for any work that we instructed to do. For my point of view for this subject is land survey is very important because land survey play an integral role in land development from the planning and design of land subdivision through to the final construction of road, utilities and landscaping. Land surveyor are the first people on any construction site measuring and mapping the land. So the primary measurement are used by architects to understand and make the most of the unique landscape when designing, and engineers to plan structures accurately and safely, ensuring buildings not only fit with the landscape but are able to be constructed. So that how important land survey are. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Suman bin Abdul Aziz from Group 1. Today's video is about my view on land survey for construction. For me, land survey is an important task for construction. Just imagine that you want to make a house but you don't know the type of soil, the characteristic of soil, the level that you have to deal with, and the total area that you own, and how much total area that you own for this project. So with the help of land survey is important to make sure that your building is in the correct possible position and the structure in the right place. Land survey also can help you set your boundary between your property and another person's property without you taking advantage or even cross the boundary of your own property. So that's all my view about land survey. Thank you.
By the end of this chapter, I shall have a good understanding of the theorized many working components. Since completing the lab, I have gained the knowledge necessary to define and explain close traverse survey. An illustration of a work table, tripod, prism, and prisma. Furthermore, I am aware of the appropriate means by which to ascertain the ultimate bearings. As a result, I am familiar with all of the tools necessary to carry out. Also, I am familiar with bearings and their use of a variety of survey context. That's all from us. Thank you.